It's a late afternoon,
I'm
and
waiting for you to open that package too.
yeah, see, I got this from Honda Vlogs, and I don't remember ordering anything. So Christian, if you sent me something, thank you. Like I don't even know what it is. My grandpa's like, it's probably a T-shirt. You should open it up, and he was more excited to see it because I was like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? So I had no idea that Honda Vlogs sent me this care package. I will open it up here in a minute, but right now we are just watching Nate's video, hanging out with Leo, and I'm going to be doing his valve cover gasket change and putting on the MPC hardware that he bought. That you can get 10% off using the code LazyManGarage at checkout. And the best part is you can use it anytime you order something on that website. Link is down below in the description, so check it out. No, it's a octopus stand. So, Honda Vlog sent me this. Christian, thank you. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna nail it down here so that way you can see what this is.
Also, if you guys never figured it out, these are for the free.
What's cracking, dude? Thanks so much for supporting me and the channel. It means a lot, and all the proceeds go back to the channel. Christian. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Oh, and it's a 2X. Watch out. What? How did he know my address? Y'all told him something, didn't you? Y'all told him something. That's fucking dope, dude. I've been wanting one of these for so long. Every time I see Nate wearing one of these, I'm like, damn, I want one. But I'm broke. Thank you so much, Christian, dude. This is so sick. I love the colors and the black. Oh, it's so fucking hard. I love it. Thank you so much, Christian. If you're watching this, which I hope you are, thank you. I got to get you back. A wild ambidextrous shows up. What's going on, dude?
What's up, bro? Good to see you. What are you guys getting into?
We're just watching
The recap of the
old school Honda meet.
The one that I didn't go to?
You did go to it.
Pasadena?
Yeah.
Pasadena, yeah.
I wasn't at that.
No?
Nah, bro.
Oh,
Dude, somebody's selling those wheels in Corona for like $1,000 or better offer right
Jesus. All right, so you can see that the valve cover gasket is leaking really, really bad. Or as like my grandmother would say, it's leaking like a sieve. I don't know what the fuck that means, but so yeah, he has all this caca down here. So we're gonna remove the 4 10mm bolts. That's all it is. I don't know why you sound like Kermit the Frog right now, but I do.
We're gonna install these in here and we're gonna make a lot of more power, baby.
GSR, USDM GSR. I'm gonna install those in here.
More power, baby.
But see, this is the thing I was saying, because I don't know if these are B-series, but you see how there's like a gap between them, see?
Yeah, if you pull on it, it'll be bigger too.
Yeah, if I pull on it, now look at that gap that's right there. That's a huge gap, but it doesn't sit flush on the valve cover, so I don't know what that could be, and the lid came off.
You gotta take this on the back of your truck though. It'll get there. It'll get there.
Okay, guys, goodbye. I know you guys are doing something. I'm trying to finish this yard before the sun goes down. Does anybody know how to wire a Datsun pickup?
Clueless. I have no idea, sir. We'd have to ask them personally.
Oh, man. Did somebody cut all the wires on my side?
Okay, I told you for the 9th time that they were chewed off by rats, and I was going to rewire them, but you were like, no, I want my truck, and I need my truck.
Well, the highway patrol objects to me riding down the street without lights.
That's what you were complaining about, so I was like, okay, well, I can't do it because...
Are you filming now?
Yes, actually I'm filming right now.
Well, why are you filming me? You don't have to pay for my services, boy.
No free camera time for you. Bro, I've taken this car all the way up to Oregon and shapes and conditions that other people won't even drive down to the liquor store. And I'm like, bro, this thing went to Oregon. Why?
You went all the way to Seattle, didn't you? Or Washington?
Well, about close, yeah, like the outskirts of Seattle.
In this thing, like
Yeah.
the way it sits.
Yeah.
Well, not the way it sits, because the way it sits now, it has new tires and better suspension. When we drove it up to Oregon, it had clapped out Skunk 2 suspension. One of the tires was a different.
All right. The valve cover and gaskets are in. Now it's time for the MPC hardware.
And guys, remember that you can get yourself one set of these for your car as well, whether you're D, B, or K series. Just head on over to npcmotorsports.com. But don't forget, use your Lazy Man code at the checkout.
And the MPC hardware is in. Now it's time to throw his wires. His wires are on. It's all good to go. Go ahead, crank her up there, Tony. No more oil. And his chingas. Bam. Look at that. MPC, 10% off. Lazy Man Garage. Checkout. Buy it. Buy it. Why aren't you buying? Buy something. Help me out. And we just degreased it, and that's how it looks. Nice and clean, nice and clean. See, did we get everywhere underneath in there? There's still some dirt on it. It's up to you if you want to do another pass around.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Alright.